Right, last time I went for a ride on Harley we had a bit of an issue. The nice fancy Vans & Hines exhaust managed to blow its baffles clean out the end of the pipe. Luckily I managed to retrieve them, and I'll show you a couple of photos in a minute to show you the damage, what had caused the problem, and me putting it back together, and I'll give you a quick look now. But yeah, we managed to modify it slightly, hope improve on the original design so that we don't have a repeat of what happened. And while we were at it, we managed to repack the wadding, which had was past its best, shall we say. So I'll just show you the exhaust and what I've done to it. As I say, I'm going to show you the pictures and then let you have a look at the modification I did. So here's the modification. Okay, basically at fairly equal intervals I drilled 3 more holes in the outer skin of the pipe and matched these up with holes on the end cap that holds the baffles in place, this bit here, and threaded them and put these M6 bolts in there. The original design, I don't know if you'll be able to see, we'll see if you can get round. On the original design, literally there was one little nut there and one at 90 degrees to it there, and that's all there was. Nothing holding the baffles in round this side all the way around there, and basically the holes in the outer skin had failed and the baffles shot clean out. As I say, fortunately I was able to find the baffle at the side of the road after a bit of searching, and get it back in there. So yeah, that's as I say, these are the ones I put in. Gave it a bit of a tidy up while we're at it. Yeah, I'm going to fire it up and take it for a spin just to see how it performs. Right, let's get it out and see how it rides. Planning on going last of the summer wine country. Going to go and have a ride round Compo's backyard, if you like. Going home for Home Moss that way. So not a long ride, but just a bit of a shakedown, see how it goes. Right, let's just fire it up, see how it sounds, let you have a look, and then we'll get helmet on and go. There you go. Get me helmet on. then, we're back from having a ride on Harley to check out whether baffles will hold up. I'll give you a quick look in a minute, but everything seemed to go all right. The wadding that I put in seemed to have dampened the noise down a little bit from what it was as well, which is a bit on the plus side because it was a little bit on the loud side originally. Got it back in the garage. I've got a couple of little bits and pieces to do, and it's getting ready for a decent clean, so I'm going to get it up on the jack and give the wheels a good clean and give it a good check over. So, but that's it for now. Yeah, here's the exhaust. As I say, I'll give you a look. So here it is. Not a lot to see from what I showed at the beginning of the video, other than to say it's all held up so far, and I've got no complaints. So that's it for now. Hopefully we'll have a few more videos before the summer's done. So there you have it. Just remember, I am the Barnsley Biker. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Get all your mates to subscribe and let me know if you're enjoying the videos, and for future videos, if you've got any ideas, anything that you want to see. I've had a couple of people say that they'd like a few more videos of the Harley. I'll try and get some just riding shots, some yeah, take it for a spin and get some riding shots. But for now, I'll see you. Ta-ra for now.